Whoa, here we are again. 2013 Chevy Express Explorer high top handicap wheelchair conversion van. Raised side entry doors, power side entry, Ricon wheelchair lift, 24,000 original miles. Whoa, clean Carfax, gorgeous white chrome 20-inch wheels, two-tone black and gray interior, leather, fully loaded out, white LED infinity lighting inside, rear sunroof. Beautiful, beautiful van. Southern van, no rust, clean Carfax, rear power folding bench seat bed, 8-door van, almost impossible to find these. Backup camera, fully loaded out, Explorer Limited SE conversion. Look at this bad boy, 24,000 original miles. You won't find another one anywhere like it. No way. It's almost impossible to find one. It's got raised side entry doors. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Supreme Motors USA, Boca Raton, Florida. Been in business 45 years. We specialize in these high top vans, handicap vans, wheelchair vans, any specialty vehicles. We take any type of trade-ins. We can ship anywhere in the world. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. If you have any questions or concerns, you can definitely text us to that number. Visit us on all the social media platforms, Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, SupremeMotorsUSA.net.com. That's us, 45 years in business. We'll do our best to help you out if you have any questions or concerns. Beautiful, beautiful van. We do have financing options as well. Gorgeous white. Wow. The bad boy. Show you the interior. It's absolutely beautiful. Check it out. Beautiful two-tone gray and black inserts. Fully rear power folding electric bench seat bed. Got your infinity lighting throughout. Gorgeous heated seats. Backup camera is in the rear view mirror. Awesome. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns, we are happy to help at any time. I mean, look at the condition of this thing. Non-smoker, 24,515 miles. The van is running, dual air, cold air, clean Carfax. Got your cooler, it's got rear entertainment with a flat screen TV, DVD setup. This thing is ready to go today. Steering wheel controls. The best part about this bad boy here is the 8 doors. You got 8 doors set up. It's got in-floor L-track tie downs. That is a power folding bench seat bed. Got all your wood grain, TV. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Don't hesitate to give us a call at any time. 954-561-2499. We are happy to help at any time. Pretty near flawless van. There's not much to point out. I will point out any flaws that I can find. Overall, I don't really see any. Run you through how the wheelchair lift works. There's a couple little dings back here in the rear quarter panel. Just normal wear and tear, almost not noticeable. I try to show everything I could possibly show you. But overall, this van is beautiful. Chrome 20-inch wheels. Tires are good. I would say tires are way better than 50%. Ricon lift. It does work off of the pendant, handheld. I'm using the pendant. Everything is working and operating the way it's supposed to right now. Look at that. Beautiful setup. It's got maximum clearance because you have the raised side entry doors. It does have a hanger here for your wheelchair lift. Awesome setup. Again, raised side entry doors. Almost impossible to find this. Just none around, especially with 24,000 miles. Rust-free Southern van. Only one around. Call anytime, 954-561-2499. Got the mesh grill, Visit us, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook, all the platforms. Visit us, like us. We're going to give away a van to someone that's real less fortunate and someone in need once we hit 10,000 subscribers across platforms. So we do try, we do want to see people get into a van. We do have customers that need vans, that have no money. They're wounded veterans, elderly. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. We're happy to help at any time. Got your owner's manuals, headsets. Bad boy right here. Bed goes down all the way, up and down, no problem. Sunroof. Got your window shades. Gorgeous van. Wow. (2013) 8-door Chevy Express. 24,000 miles, clean Carfax. Pretty laser straight, beautiful van. Rust free. Call us. Be happy to talk to you about it. Ask for Jeff or Ken. You can ship anywhere in the world, accept any type of trade-ins. Thank you.